College of DuPage is committing to helping you, the student, succeed. We have a ton of valuable resources to help with your studies, as well as opportunities to get involved and make the most of your COD experience. With me now is Dean of Student Affairs, Nathania Montes. Nathania, welcome! Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah. So can you tell us about some of the programs and opportunities available to students to help them succeed?
Absolutely. And I think the first step to success is really identifying what the students' goals are. And it's really, setting that educational plan is the foundation for their success at COD. So counseling, advising, and transfer services really help students develop their educational plans and goals for their time at College of DuPage and also transferring to a four-year school. In addition, when students start to focus on their career goals, career services is a wonderful opportunity for students to connect and take a look at what are some possible jobs within their careers, how can they gain valuable experiences during their time at COD, and how can they get ready for that job search that's so important. A sense of belonging is so important, and developing leadership skills is essential for our students. And so Veteran Services helps our veteran students connect with valuable resources, and Student Life gives a wonderful opportunity for students to get involved in clubs and organizations and develop those leadership skills.
Absolutely. I'm so glad I got super involved when I was a student here. There's so many services available. I absolutely love it.
For sure.
So I'm sure all of these services also help students stay in school. So how important is retention?
Retention is so important. You have to be here to fulfill your goals.
Right.
And so all of us at College of DuPage are invested in student success. And so we are all invested in making sure that students succeed. And so we have a ton of resources available if students feel like they're wavering or they're getting off track. So again, if students need to reevaluate their goals, counseling, advising, and transfer is a wonderful resource. Working with their navigators is important. And I can't emphasize enough working with instructors and also working with the Learning Commons, and our library is one of the best.
Yes, absolutely. When I was here, I did feel like everyone around me was really committed to my success, which I absolutely love and I'm appreciative of. So I hope our students can take advantage of all of that.
Me too.
Yeah. Well, Nathania, thank you so much for being with us here today. I hope you enjoyed the show.
I did. Thank you.